garden comes alive with the rain, and all the fruit trees are really good. So nice. After the rain, it's lovely today. But all the trees are full of fruit. And I've got all sorts. Okay. Should be lorry there. But the gardens are so tropical, eh? But there's no problems at all to have a nice garden, eh? But lots of people are finding it hard to get people to help to look after their gardens. That's a big problem. So old people can't look after gardens. So that's need to try and employ people. But I've got people to help, so there's no problem for me. Just a wee bit every day. Tidy, cut, look after it. But this garden's now it'll be coming up for 5 years old, so it's sort of established. I think maybe it's getting more established now. There's a dragon fruit out today, but nothing nicer. Yeah, I think a garden's nice. I mean, a lot of people say it's hard work, but I think it's worth the effort. Definitely. But I wouldn't swap this for living in the city and living in a condo or like maybe neighbours 1 metre away from your house. I didn't like that, so I prefer the peace and quiet. But all these, most of these trees, by the way, bushes, they were all planted by seed. I eat fruit and just take the seed out and plant the seed. So they're no bought. So it's kind of weird, eh? My garden from seed. But it's so big, the garden's massive, eh? And as many big trees as you can to shade your property. But these houses we rent out, so they make some income for the pension fund. So, but at the moment it's quiet with it. It's been raining for, I think maybe 1 month, more than 1 month. Look, all the custard apples all die because too much rain. That's it. But just get your when you buy land and that, first job is to plant shrubs and bushes and trees in your garden, and it takes a long time to grow. So look, to establish a garden, like 5 years. So there's another dragon fruit. I like that. Bananas are plentiful in the garden as well. Go through this side as well. This is my jail. Basically keep my dog in it. I like to look out, but I didn't want my dog to get out, so I put the bar so I can see through it. So it's quite good. That's another part of the garden. This is my wee place I sit and do my work. But today, I've not got the interest today to do very much. No lazy, just I'm not motivated. I'll get dressed in that and I'll get organised and do something. But all these pipes, we got concrete pipes, and yesterday we cleaned the pipes all out and then put in custard apples. So after all, bags and bags of fruit. This side we done 3 months ago, and the fruit's growing great. There's the custard apples I planted 3 months ago, and they're growing great. Brilliant, eh? And papaya. So just get concrete pipes in, put fruit and veg in them. I suppose you can put the veg in the bottom. Veg and fruit all grow together. And all your garden waste, throw it into the concrete pipes. Then you'd be shy to use it. Okay. So it's a wee walk. That's half the garden I've walked round. There's another half at the back, so another half's fully trees as well, and bushes and trees. Oh, okay, so that's living Thailand gardens, eh?